All right, so health premiums. Now, premiums are the amount that you pay to have health insurance. So here we have a question. Here's Ernesto Baca. He's employed by big company. He has a family membership in his company's health insurance program. The annual premium is $6,342. His employer pays 80% of that total cost. Ernesto's contribution is deducted from his paycheck. What is his annual contribution? So his contribution, that's important, and also that it's annually. Now notice they gave us the annual amount, but his company pays 80%. So the employee's percent is whatever is left over. So out of 100%, if they pay 80%, what share is left for him to pay? Well, 100 minus 80 leaves 20% for Ernesto to pay. Then all we have to do is take the premium, which was $6,342, and multiply by his percentage. Now remember, we still have to change that percent to a decimal before we use it. So move the decimal 2 places to the left. It gives you 0.2, and go ahead and multiply 6,342 times 0.2. So his share, his annual share, is $1,268.40. You want to watch on those because sometimes they'll ask for what's his monthly share, so we then have to take that amount and change it to monthly. But for this one, it just wanted annual. Here's Laura Otero. She's employed by Parks Inc. She is on a single plan with a PPO annual premium of $5,024. Laura's employer pays 65% of her total costs. Her contribution is deducted from her paycheck. What is Laura's semi-monthly deduction? Okay, so we're starting with the same basis here, but we're going to have to go a little further. They did, again, give us the amount for the annual pay that has to be paid for her premium. They also told us what percent her employer pays. Okay, so we're going to start by doing our same procedure. Her employer pays 65%. So what percent is left for her to pay? Well, we take the total of 100% minus 65%, and we find that that leaves 35% for her to pay. That's not real well written. Okay, so she's paying 35%. What is she paying 35% of? She's paying 35% of the $5,024. Okay, so let's find Laura's share. Okay, so we take our total premium of $5,024, multiply it by her percentage, 35%. Again, move the decimal 2 places to the left so we can use it to calculate. We take 5,024 times 0.35, we get $1,758.40. But notice this is her annual amount. That came from the annual price of the premium. So this is an annual amount, and they want to know what is her semi-monthly deduction. So for the whole year, she's paying $1,758.40. But how much would that be semi-monthly? Now, semi-monthly means 2 times per month. Okay, so 2 times, how many times would that be a year? Well, there's 12 months in a year, so 2 times 12 is 24 times. So we want to take this amount and divide it up into 24 equal payments so that it can take in out of her checks on an equal amount each time. Okay, so we want to find the semi-monthly amount. We take the annual amount of $1,758.40 and divide it by 24 paychecks. When we do, we get $73.27.